This is Dr. Sheila Tikku speaking about properties of chromium compounds in for class second year. The topic of the chapter is chemistry of elements of first transition series. Chromium does not occur free in nature. It occurs in the form of chromite ore. Extraction. The most important source for the extraction of chromium is chromite ore. This chromite ore is mixed with sodium carbonate and roasted in laboratory furnace in free air. It separates out finally in the form of sodium dichromate. This type of reaction is taken into consideration with very precautions. The metal is obtained in 92% purity when the chromium oxide is heated with aluminum powder. Aluminum oxide is formed and chromium comes out in the crude form. This metal is 92% pure, which is refined electrolytically using chromium chloride as the electrolyte and mercury as the cathode, while impure chromium acts as the anode. This is heated in vacuum. Chromium is a bluish white lustrous metal with a melting point of 1875 degree centigrade. It takes a good polish which lasts for a long time. Compounds of chromium. Chromium forms a number of compounds with oxidation state +2, +3 and +6. Chromium 2 compounds. Chromium 2 state is unstable. A new compound is formed by oxidizing chromium. Complexes like chromium NH3 6, chromium halide plus hydrogen gives chromium chloride 2 and HX hydrogen chloride. Chromium 3 compounds. Chromium forms stable compounds from +3 state. Thus, it forms maximum number of compounds from +3 oxidation state, which are quite stable. Cr2O3 when reacts with sodium hydroxide and oxygen, it gives sodium chromium oxide in which it is in +3 oxidation state. Chromium 3 chloride. Chromium plus chlorine react to form chromium 3 chloride. It can also be prepared on heating chromium oxide plus carbon plus chlorine. Chromium trichloride is pinkish violet in color. It has different crystalline forms which are dark green, light green and greyish blue. Complexes of chromium 3. There are many complexes of chromium 3 such as with ammonia, with oxalate ion, etc. Chromium oxide. Chromium oxide, which is combined with ammonia and oxygen, on heating dissociate into chromium oxide plus nitrogen plus water. Chromium 4 compounds. Chromium 4 oxide is a stable compound and it is prepared by chromium oxide plus hydrogen heated, which form chromium oxide plus water. It is ferromagnetic black colored material which is used for making recording tape. Then compounds of chromium 5. The compounds of chromium 5 are generally dissociate and they are less stable than chromium and chromium 3 and chromium 4 compounds. Compounds of chromium 6. Chromium 6 oxide can be prepared by the reaction of potassium dichromate with sulfuric acid. It is red crystalline solid with which volatiles at 110 degrees centigrade and melts very easily. Then we have chromate ion. It is a yellow colored compound which is prepared by reacting chromium oxide with sodium hydroxide. Potassium dichromate is the most important compound. It is prepared by reacting sodium dichromate and potassium chloride. Potassium dichromate forms orange red crystals melting at 398 degrees centigrade, soluble in hot water. Decomposes to chromate and oxygen. Red colored vapors of chromite chloride are evolved when potassium dichromate is heated with chloride ion. Potassium dichromate is a powerful oxidizing agent in acidic solution. It liberates iodine from iodide ion, oxidizes iron 2 to iron 3, oxidizes sulfite to sulfate ion. oxidizes hydrogen sulfide to sulfide. Uses potassium dichromate is used in a volumetric reagent in lab. In dyeing, it is used for tanning. In photography also it is used. A mixture of chromate and concentrated sulfuric acid is used as a cleansing compound.